If you're looking for the free online English speaking courses, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a website from where you can find out the English speaking courses totally for free, although they also have the paid courses. So in case you are interested for the paid, you can check out, but I will be showing only the free courses. So the website name is Coursera, and in that I have given the link in the description. You can just click on that link and that link will take you to this page, and here you would see that there are 272 English speaking courses. Not all of them are free. The free ones have a tag of free on the top right hand side of the thumbnail, so you can see that in the first 3 courses the two are free, and then this one is free, and then similarly if you keep going down there are overall 23 pages, and in all these 23 pages you would find multiple free courses. And if you want to filter out them based on your skill level, you can click this beginner level, and you would see that 159 beginner level English courses are there. In case of intermediate, there are 57 intermediate level courses on this website. So these courses are from the renowned universities. As you can see that this free course English for Career Development is from University of Pennsylvania. If I click this, say it will take me here. You need to click enroll for free. Just make a free account, and you can do it with the Google account. So this is the course breakdown. As you can see that the multiple videos under different headers are available here, starting with the introduction to the course, your profile as a job seeker, and then subsequently key skills for the job search, and on we go. So I'm just going to click the first overview of the unit. So here comes the video where they will explain what this course is about.
Or maybe you already have a job but want to find a different one.
So as you can see that this course is completely free and you can access this totally for free, but if you want a certificate then you have to pay for that. If your total aim is to learn the English speaking, so you don't need to buy the course, just join the course for free and learn it from this website. So just to highlight the titles of the few courses: training and practicing in English public speaking. Then there's this one is also free, English for science, technology, engineering and mathematics. And these, by the way, are all the beginner level courses which I am explaining. Exploring emerging technologies for learning and success. So do check out this. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.